What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to be showing you a repair that we're going to do on this F430. It's got about 3 door dings in the driver's side door, and of course it's an aluminum door, so it's a little bit more of a challenging repair. But we're going to take you, show you the damage, kind of show you the behind the scenes of how we repair things with Paintless Dent Repair today. So I appreciate you taking the time to check this out. We'll go ahead and get started.
So what we're looking at here is the natural reflection. There's 2 dents, one on the body line and one to the right hand side of that, roughly the size of a quarter. We got them circled there in red. I know the natural reflection is kind of hard to see them, so what we're going to do is show you what they look like once we get our Paintless Dent Repair light on there. That actually shows up, or it shows the most detail while doing the repair, and you can really see the dents more clearly. So what we do is we set these lights up before we get started with the repair, and then we're just going to get inside the panel using our Paintless Dent Repair tools, and we're going to start shaping these dents right back out from the inside. Now you can tell that there is a little chip on the paint here in this second dent that we're fixing. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, can you fix a dent when there's a paint chip? You can. The paint chip would still be there. In this instance, they took it to a paint shop to have it touched up later. But as you can tell, yes, we can fix a dent when there's a chip in it. This is the after the body line dent's gone, the dent where the chip is gone, and then the natural reflection to follow. You can tell that that door is straight. There's no more damage to it. And even though there were small dents for a car like this, this was a pretty big deal for the customer. They definitely didn't want to have any dings at all in this Ferrari. So it worked out well for the customer, and we were happy with the results as well. So guys, if you'd like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can get in touch with us at 678-544-3004. You can send us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.